Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. How are we all doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. I made a video earlier today where Martin Nandekano was totally against what Hope Uzodinma and other people are doing, and he spoke totally against it. But right now, the video you're about to watch, it's Mark is coming so hot on Nnamdi Kanu, even calling him and ECN a terrorist group, which I do not understand. People that are defending the land, that why must he go after Hope Uzodinma? That Hope Uzodinma is the governor and all that, that he has no right. And, he said a lot of things. I want you guys to watch, and I really need your honest opinion on this. And guys, please do us a favor. Do not leave here without subscribing. Subscribe and turn your bell on so you do not miss anything. Please watch and let me know your thoughts below. Watch, guys.
Greetings, everybody. I want to talk about what is happening in Olu, Imo State. But before I start, because I know these IPOB monkeys on social media, Nnamdi Kanu's minions. You see, when they see somebody like me, talking about what is happening in the southeast, happening in the Imo like this, they will jump out like monkey and begin to say, mind your business. Talk about the problem in your state. Mind your business. But whenever there is problem in the southwest, Yoruba land, or in Edo land, Edo state, they use it to entertain themselves on social media. They talk about it. We don't tell them that mind your business. It is not, you are not from Edo. Why are you talking about things that's happening in Edo, or things happening in Yoruba land, or things happening in the other state? It is free world, democracy. We talk about everything here. So I have the right. If they can talk about what is happening in my state, I can talk about what is happening in their state. You see, what I want to talk about today is about the insecurity, about the terrorist activities, the ESN terrorist group that is terrorizing, disturbing the peace of Imo State. First of all, Nnamdi Kanu is not from Imo State. He's from Abia State. There is no bush in Olu. There's no bush in Olu at all. They said they created their Southeast terrorist group to take care of their farmland. That the Fulanis are, terrorizing their farmers. Once in a while, we'll see the Yorubas who arrest some Fulani terrorists. They will video it. We are seeing it on social media. In Benin, the same thing. You see videos arresting Fulani terrorists, terrorizing our people. But we are still waiting for videos of Fulani they are arresting in the southeast, because that's what they created that ECN for. That's what Nnamdi Kanu single-handedly created ECN terrorist group for. To take care of the Fulani terrorists, X-Men that is disturbing them according to them. We are still waiting for them to start arresting the Fulani terrorists. They said that is disturbing their farmers. The truth is the truth. Either you like it or you don't like it, the truth is the truth. We will continue to say the truth. It doesn't matter who with favor or against. The Governor Hope Uzodinma, Governor Hope Uzodinma is doing pretty well. He is doing well. He must do all he can. All he can. He's doing a nice job to protect his own state. He is the governor of that state. He must protect his people. If Nnamdi Kanu want to be commanding people, if he want to be in charge, if he want to do oga, let him contest. Let him come down and contest. If you feel that Igbos are with him, they want Biafra really. He have fans. He have people that will vote for him. Let him come and contest as a governor so that he can give command. Imo State, they have their governor. Opus Uzodinma is the governor there. He might be High Court, whatever, it doesn't matter. He is the governor. He is the chief security of that state. He is the governor to protect life and property of Imo State. Nnamdi Kanu have no right. He have no legal right to be creating security force, claiming he is using it to safeguard their land. Southeast region is not for Nnamdi Kanu to safeguard. He don't have that power. Nobody voted for him. I saw him yesterday ranting, making video, threatening the governors that he's going to deal with the governor. He's going to deal with Wike. Why are you running your mouth? Why can't you come home? Like I said, if you know they kind of want to do a guy, want to flex muscles, you want to be giving command, let it come and contest. They will tell you now they will ring it. They will ring it. Ring what? Ring what? Since you said your people will vote for you. You have fans. The people are for you. It's like nobody will even vote for other candidate. Because you are for Biafra. People will come there, come and contest. That's the only way you can be giving command. Look, Hope Uzodimma have made it clear that he will not allow any group of idiots, any group of terrorists, blackmail him or bully him, push this Nikopul Nnamdi Kanu boys away, push them to Abia State. Nnamdi Kanu is from Abia State. The useless senator, Eberibe, that is supporting this nonsense, is from Abia State. Let them go and do their ECM nonsense in Abia State. They said Abia State is the worst state in the southeast. Let them go to their state. Look, let me tell you something. The people in Imo State, they are Igbos. No problem. The people in Abia State, they are Igbos. That's in Nnamdi Kanu State. No problem. But the people in Abia State have their governor. They have their own senators that is defending them in Aso Rock. So the people in Abia State have their own governor. It's different people. They might be speaking the same language you go, but different territory. Hope Uzodimma, the Imolite, the Imo people control Imos. Nnamdi Kanu is not from Imo. Go and mind your business. Go and mind your business. That fool Nnamdi Kanu know that he know what he created this ESM for. Let them go and organize their camp in Abia State, their state. Let them organize it in Senator Eberibe's house. Let them go and do their nonsense there. Let them go to their state, Abia State, to go and do that nonsense. You know, the governor of Imo State have made it categorically clear that, you see, the ongoing military actions that is going on in his state, that he will not allow any Igbo group that is saying now they should let them go, they should let them, or they should stop these military activities. He said he will not bow to pressure. He will not bow to pressure. That he must stay and secure that state for him. He is the governor. What he's doing now, it is what every reasonable governor will do. Don't wait till these people take over your state. Nnamdi Kanu have no right whatsoever to be giving command. That is the reason why you are the governor. Don't let him bully you. Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. He is leading a terrorist group. The governor of that state. Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Don't let Nnamdi Kanu bully you. Don't bow for pressure of those calling the army, calling the soldiers to leave Imo State for what? For Nnamdi Kanu? No. Nnamdi Kanu and his gang, they are the people that are supposed to leave. The governor have done well. The governor Hope Uzodimma have done well. Have done very well. You know, I pity those confused Igbos. Those Julebo Igbos who still listen to that Facebook mad dog Nnamdi Kanu. He is leading you people to your grave. He is leading you to your grave. Let them kick them out. They are not from that state. Let them kick. There is no bush in Olu. There is no bush in Olu. There is no S-men in Olu. Nnamdi Kanu and ECCN terrorist group should leave right now. To leave that state and go to Abia State. They should go to Abia State. You see, the truth is the truth. Nnamdi Kanu is not a governor. Nnamdi Kanu is not a senator. He have no right whatsoever to be look, they will say now, look, go to social media, they will say, you see, Southeast governors, they are bad people. They don't care for their people. If the Hausa Fulani people are defending their people, why the Igbo politicians are not defending? Look, if the northern politicians, governors, if they are defending their terrorists, let them defend their terrorists. In the north, that is where they kidnap people every day. They are the one living in pain. They are the one living in fear. They are the one living in dying in fear. Nobody is safe again in the north. A Fulani man is the president. They are pampering terrorists. They are rewarding them. They are sending them to rehabilitation house, compensating them for killing people. And the people they are killing, these people are living in pains. They are not destitute. Nobody cares about their victims, but they are pampering these criminals. Let them continue. Let them continue. They are the one feeling the pains. It is in the north. Nobody is safe in the north, but we don't want that in the south. The Fulani, the northerners pampering their criminals doesn't mean we should pamper our criminals here. If they pamper their terrorists, their bandits, let them pamper it there in the north. It doesn't mean we must do the same. But in the south, you have a terrorist group who have no respect for their elders, who insult their governors, who create a security force without telling their leaders, without telling traditional rulers, without telling their political leaders. Now you want them to protect them, you want them to defend them when they have no respect for their elders. They insult everybody. They insult, they have no regard, they have no respect for anybody. They keep paying money to Nnamdi Kanu that is deceiving them, brainwashing them. Now you want your Southeast leader to come and help you? Help you for what? When you don't have any regard for them. The truth is the truth, whether you like it or not. I will come here and tell you the truth. Thank you and God bless.